This is how to comment, reject, and approve an artwork. This is what the viewer looks like. If you don't have any comments, you may press approve directly. To reject, you must add a comment first. Click New Comment and type or paste your text. You have several formatting options in this section. And you can see what they look like by clicking the Preview tab. There are different marking tools you can connect to your comment: a rectangle, a circle, a line, a pin, and 2 measuring tools. Let's use the pin for this one. Hit Submit to save a comment. Let's say you have new nutritional values. You can attach any file to your comment by clicking Attach Files or by drag and drop. This feature is perfect when referencing to new text documents, emails, cutter guides, etc. Delete any marks or attachments by clicking the X. Put a rectangle marker on the artwork to show where the new nutrition information should go. Hit Submit. Say that we want the logo to be larger, and that we need to do the same change to both front and back. You may add as many markers in a comment as you like, but they should all refer to the same adjustment. There are no limits on the amount of comments that you can make, but it's important to separate them. You can't erase a submitted comment, but you can invalidate them by clicking this symbol. When you've added all comments, hit Reject and wait for your next automated email for your next step.